Ever wondered what it takes to turn a local business into a global success? How German SMEs do it? Globalpreneurship, your guide to success, serves as your compass. This book unfolds the secrets behind the success of Germany's middle stand, or small and medium-sized enterprises that form the backbone of Europe's most robust economy. Embark on a journey through the pages of this book and discover the resilience of steel, uncover the innovative elegance of Miele, and explore the strategies behind countless German SMEs that have surpassed boundaries and defied odds. This book is more than just a collection of success stories. It's a guidebook for building a global mindset to learn how to build alliances, utilize groundbreaking low-cost marketing strategies, and set benchmarks that echo excellence. This isn't just about surviving, it's about thriving. It's about transforming your local success into a global phenomenon. Your time to shine has arrived. The symphony of your global triumph awaits. Embrace the world, embrace your destiny. The stage is set, the journey awaits. Your destiny is within grasp. How German SMEs do it, Globalpreneurship, your guide to success. Your voyage to global entrepreneurship starts here. Go forth and conquer the world.